Guys,
खोर्सानी यहाँ मासुको लागि हो कि
cooking chicken.
ए बाबा हाल्दैछु कि म यहाँ भुट्दैछु एकछिन
Sa bakay guys. Muna akong cookman akong husband guys. Tanawa. Iyahan na ni tanan. Sini na. Busy pa. Tapos ito. Ay! My sexy sister. All my sister here. Then now. Oh. Tarkali. Tarkali. Loka alo. Loka banaw ni, alo banaw ni. Pias. Our beautiful cook sister, Lakshmi. Oh, they are busy guys. No, busy also. Sorry, some mice guys. It's all messy the house. The daughter is there. The mother and then daughter. See, look, they are same only. Oh, now the another cookman also very busy. Sige, bye na. Guys, we'll make it roti here in Nepal. See, flour, and then after that we'll make it round and round. Ayan, ganito siya guys. Tapos ito siya. And then tapos ito, yan i-cook siya. Maliit lang siya. Maliit siya. Tapos ano, lutuin. Tapos ito ang finished product. Ito ang finished product nilagay dito. Tapos ayun. Ready na sila sa pagka. Oh. Tapos ayun, ready na. Ayun guys, naka-ready na yan siya. I-ano ko na yan siya. Ligpit ko siya mamaya. Para maano.
1, 2, 3.
Kangkong guys, kangkong. Magharos-haros tayo kangkong. Then after this, I will plant also. I will make ginisang kangkong. Filipino food. Actually guys, I'm recently okay. Before I have a fever, cough, or maybe the weather change. Because it's too much hot here now, my God. Now my voice is little bit good now. Yesterday, I cannot, my husband bring me in the doctor. Because I'm just lying down. And then when he bring me in the doctor, I feel relaxed. I drink already medicine. Now, as a mother, time to get up, no time to lie down. My God. But if you need rest, 2 days I'm in lie down, guys. I'm lying in the bed. Nothing, just my husband prepared to Sophia for the school, and then me, I'm just lying down because, and then my mouth is no taste. Whatever food I eat, no taste. But at least now, thanks God, I'm little bit okay. Now I want to eat adobong kangkong. Yesterday I make soup. Now I want to eat this one. Because he already found, and when he go in the market, he found this kangkong. Now this one is for my plant. I will plant for this, guys. Guys, here you go. Cook already, guys. Ang aking kangkong with sausage or hot dog. Because my mouth is no tasty at all. I want to eat a drink of vinegar, whatever. Sorry for my voice. Still not feeling well. Hopefully this, I'm craving for kangkong, but I make it with sausage. Hopefully my appetite will eat more rice and this one. Let's eat, guys. Be happy and be kind. I love you all. Hello guys. Kumusta? I'm planning this kangkong. Kasi nag-ano na siya. Oh. May flowers na siya. Lagay ko po dito guys na ano na siya. Na ano na. All is nilagyan ko na ng ano. Para soon, I can harvest my kangkong. Magkangkong na ako guys. Ang ingay dito guys. Kasi may nagluluto yung aking asawa. Tapos, ang tagal na to guys. Ano ito? Plant.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, just wait.
Kilo ako.
Mayroon sag.
Kiko.
Ito guys.
Sonia, ina.
So, meron siyang leaves at saka meron na siyang roots. Yan. Tingnan mo, ang dami na guys. Ano na? Busy kasi nagluluto. I showed you before later guys. Lagay ko muna ang aking mga kanin. Para soon, I have a kangkong. Mix ko na lang ito guys, mix ko. Hopefully it will grow. Because now it's coming.
Rồi, ai cơ? Bắt cái con cắn chân đi.
Bây giờ nữa nữa.
Cầm mà lại.
Ông cần làm cái này ăn sao?
Nào đây đây.
Mình ăn thật rồi.
Now look guys. I'm done. Now I need to plant this ano, coriander leaves. I will put it. Now I just put them all. I just spread that side. Look guys, I'm done. I'm planning the kangkong. Here you go. Kangkong, and then I plant also the coriander leaves. Coriander leaves.
का बोल्दा मिल्दैन